Okay, so today we are going to discuss about multi-agent. अभी तक हमने क्या we already discussed about one agent can search your space tree or we can find out the goal one agent. But here we can find we can include the multi-agent. That means we are playing the chess, okay, opponent. You are playing the TikTok game, opponent. So this way we can think about if in environment if multi-agent will be involved, then what will be the scenario? How we can search the result? Okay. So basically, we can take a one example TikTok game. TikTok game. So what is the possibility? Suppose I am thinking I am a optimal. My chance is optimal, and you are thinking कि your move is optimal. Yes or no? बहुत सोचते हैं ना आप और मैं अगर हम गेम खेल रहे हैं तो मेरे साइड से जो भी डिलीवरी होगी फ्रॉम द माई साइड वट एवर आई डिलीवर दैट इज द माई बेस्ट और आप जो अपने साइड से डिलीवर करोगे दैट इज योर बेस्ट. That means we are both are judging that you are playing best or I am the playing best. Okay. So on the basis of we can plan this game. That is the game planning theory. That is the game theory we can call it. Game search. So in a TikTok, different places. So can you see the one example? Suppose this one is a TikTok. So if I can draw the search graph of this one, I can draw the search graph. So there is a possibility of this one. Now see, what is the possibility? The machine will predict. So what is the possibility of move? So there is a possibility of human can mark here. There is a possibility of 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 mark here. Yes or no? And three more possibility like this one. Suppose I can enhance more. So there is a possibility of mark here. There is a possibility of mark here. And the last one, there is a possibility of, mark here. So if I want to play the TikTok game, there is a different type of possibility than human or we can play. Okay. So here we can include two players. The first player I can put a name Max and the second player name that is the meaning of that's the mean. Okay. And we can assign Max is marked as a cross and mean is marked as a zero. Okay. And both player understand that कि both having a move of optimal कि हम ये चल रहे हैं कि भाई जो भी हमारा होगा वो ऑप्टिमल होगा. So that is a simple example of intelligent system. Okay, so we can play the chess board. Okay, one side is playing the computer, one side playing you. So that is the possibility. Suppose you can play, the computer will be predict different possibility. Suppose I am the human, so I can think about four possibility. Yes or no? As a human, I can think four possibility. But there is a possibility now machine can be thinks 10 possibilities at the same time. Yes or no? So our target is to beat the machine and machine is target to beat the human. So that game is name as a game playing algo. So in a game playing, the first algo name is as a max min. That means min max. And the second one is alpha beta pruning. Alpha beta pruning. Okay, these two algorithm you are going to study in game playing algorithm. So min max and whatever the drawback of min max, we try to remove in alpha beta pruning game. Okay, now see. So we have already discussed about DFS. We already discussed about not. We already discussed DFS. Then we already discussed what this one is a breadth first search, not a best first search. Okay, so someone asks you what is the BFS. So in AI, basically in AI, I'm not discussing about the data structure algorithm. Suppose someone asks you what is the BFS, so you should ask first question: BFS is the breadth first search or best first search? Don't be confused. Don't both are the different things. You cannot impose one place. Okay. So this is the breadth first search. This is a depth first search, and these all are possible. UCS hai, then we have E star, then O star. So for searching the places, now see, I'm searching the different places. whatever the condition, whatever the places we can mark. That means we can do one type of search, yes or no, for achieving that goal. So if you go for the DFS and BFS and any algorithm, our aim to achieve that goal. Here is also my aim to achieve that goal, but in the form of utility. That means अगर आप कोई गेम जीतते हो, आपका कोई भी क्यूज कंपटीशन हो, तो जीतने के बाद आपको क्या होता है, प्राइज मनी होती है। प्राइज मनी होती है ना कि 1000 मिलेगा फर्स्ट वाले को, सेकंड वाले को 5000 ऐसे, या 20,000 1 लाख की प्राइज मनी। बट what is the mode of the game plan? After winning, those are winning, they have a utility. Here, one term is named as a utility. That means reward. Suppose max, suppose winner will be attached with 1 point more, loser will be down 1 point less, and it will be draw. That means 0. That is called utility. Utility of game is plus, minus and 0. Okay. तभी तो आप लोग जब भी हमारा अभी जो आजकल के टाइम में जो ओलंपिक चल रहा है उसमें क्या होता है, +0 होता है ना, उसमें माइनस नहीं जाते लेकिन +0 होता है ना। अगर आप कोई गेम जीत रहे हो तो उसमें क्या होता है, यूटिलिटी ही तो देते हैं, कि अचानक से अमाउंट दे देते नहीं ना, वो तो लास्ट टाइम में होता है। तो यूटिलिटी हियर आवर पर्पस, व्हाट विल बी गेट द रिवॉर्ड इन द लास्ट ऑफ द दोज हु आर विनिंग दैट गेम, दे हैव अ यूटिलिटी ऑफ प्लस, माइनस एंड 0. प्लस दैट मीन्स द सक्सेसफुल विनिंग, माइनस दैट मीन्स द लूज, एंड 0 फॉर ड्रॉ। इसीलिए हमने जब टिकटॉक गेम को ड्रॉ किया था तो हमने कैसे प्रूफ किया था कि वो जीतेगा और उसे कैसे अमाउंट होगा, प्लस, माइनस और 0 से। दैट इज अ सिंपल थिंग। नाउ हियर द थिंग इज दैट सपोज योर गेम इज लुक लाइक अ स्पेस ट्री, that means it can be applied anywhere. That means any graph that is a form of a space tree. Okay, we can say that that is a form of the graph, that is the form of the grid, anything it will happen. We can apply min max algorithm. So a space tree, or we can say that the search space. So anyone can tell me what is the meaning of search space? ये चीजें छोटी छोटी हैं लेकिन बहुत डिफिकल्ट होती हैं. So no one interested to ask what is the BFS and DFS. They were interested to ask what is the surface space. Well, search space. Sorry. सर्च स्पेस होता क्या है बताइए. मैंने बहुत बार देखा है भाई सर्च स्पेस, ट्री स्पेस, ग्राफ स्पेस सर्च कर रहे हैं. हाँ, तो सर्च स्पेस होता क्या है? या ऑनलाइन एनीवन कैन एक्सप्लेन व्हाट इज द सर्च स्पेस? चलो, अगर आप सर्च स्पेस को इन टर्म्स ऑफ लैंग्वेज नॉट डिफाइन, कैन यू टेल मी वेयर सर्च स्पेस इज प्रेजेंट हियर इन दिस मॉडल, वट एवर आई ड्रॉइंग, वेयर इज अ सर्च स्पेस? एनीवन? या अगर आप इस डायग्राम को देखो और बताओ यहाँ पे सर्च स्पेस है कहाँ? मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है. So think like an analytical, then you are able to answer. Now see, so what is the meaning of search space? So these terms can be derived this one. That means possible move in the space, and these all are combined to call this is a search space. So this is a one search space. This is a one surface space. This is a whole. So this one label becomes one total surface space, search space. So जो possible move होते हैं ना, उसी को हम लोग बोलते हैं सर्च स्पेस. इसके अलावा तो सर्च स्पेस कुछ नहीं हो सकता. मतलब यहाँ से कुछ सर्च करने के लिए उसी को तो सर्च बोलेंगे, बस उसमें स्पेस ऐड कर दिया गया. तो दैट इज द सर्च स्पेस. दैट इज द पॉसिबल मूव, पॉसिबल रिक्वायरमेंट. नाउ सी, सॉरी. सो नेक्स्ट वन हियर. नाउ सी, सपोज दिस one is given. Okay, first to understand the min max algorithm, then we can describe all the things. I can write the algorithm also. So this graph is given, and here we have to apply min max algorithm. So in min max algorithm, first label, that means the label 0, this label is always start with the maximum value. Default cases, maximum. That means max. Then again, this label is defined as a min. Okay, first label is defined as a max player name, and the second player is defined as a min. So what is the objective of max? So objective of max is whatever the value of next adjacent node should be maximum. So it will be opt maximum value. Then next label, this one. I'm talking about this label. The next label, so I am talking about this label, the player of minimum label to minimize the possibility of winning top of max. From that side, from the minimum side, that is the maximum. Yes or no? अगर हम बात करें मिनिमम के साइड से, अगर दूसरे को हराने का चांसेस बनते हैं तो उसको तो मिनिमाइज करना है ना, तभी तो वो हारेगा. तो उसके लिए तो वो ऑप्टिमल हो गया ना. और मैक्सिमम के लिए क्या होगा, उसके लिए सबसे ज्यादा वैल्यू, बड़ी वैल्यू चाहिए, तभी तो उसके लिए ऑप्टिमल हो गया. तो ये हो गया. So this is the process we can follow max and minimum. Now see, we have different type of search algorithm. Then which algorithm is I can apply? DFS, BFS, UCS, IDDP. These are IDD, iterative deepening depth first search. Okay. So these are the search algorithm. So which search algorithm is best for this one? That is important ना भाई. ये तो हमारे ए स्टार है नहीं, EOS स्टार तो है नहीं. ओके, सो हमें फाइंड आउट करना है कि भाई इसकी तो सर्च कैसे करेंगे. तो हमारे पास अनइन्फॉर्म्ड सर्च, वी हैव ऑलरेडी डेवलप डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ सर्च एल्गोरिथम लाइक BFS, DFS, UCS and iterating deepening. Then which algorithm apply? Suppose I can apply the BFS on Mixmax for finding out the solution. So now see, so what is the property of BFS? भाई BFS की प्रॉपर्टी क्या होती है? ब्रेथ फर्स्ट सर्च प्रॉपर्टी. हाउ इट कैन बी सर्च इन अ गिवन ग्राफ, हाउ इट विल बी स्टार्ट वर्किंग. Label wise, yeah. Thank you, Yash. Now see, so it will be a start label wise. That means it can be explored this one and this can be explored both at the same time. Yes or no? So BFS, what will we do? It will be do. Suppose I can explore first node, so it can be explored this one and it can be explored this one. Yes or no? Now see, the diagram. Suppose I can apply BFS, so it will be searched like this one. So my tree is this one and I am applying BFS on this one. So it will be searched first here, then first search here, then first search here, then again here, then again here, then again here, then again here. Yes or no? That means it can explore each and every level one by one. But when I playing the game, so there is a equal chance. क्या आपको जब मैं गेम खेलता हूं तो मेरे पास only we have a one chance ना कि I can opt maximum or minimum. So that means we directly not apply BFS because in min max algorithm opponent have only one chance. It can be go at least one side. It not go for both side. अब क्लियर हो गया कि हम BFS अप्लाई नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि it can be explore all the label. अगर हम गेम प्लेयर का बात करें तो अगर मान लो कि हमारे पास मैक्सिमम है, सपोज इसकी वैल्यू 8 है और इसकी ह्यूरिस्टिक वैल्यू 9 दी हुई है सपोज, तो इसमें हमारा गेम प्लेयर क्या करेगा? वो सिर्फ 9 पे जाएगा, वो 8 और 9 नहीं एक्सप्लोर करेगा लाइक ए स्टार ओ स्टार की तरफ फिर कंपैरिजन करेगा, वैसे नहीं. तो विच वन इज द मैक्सिमम? दैट मींस द 9, सो इट कैन बी एक्सप्लोर 9. तो दैट मींस वी कैन से दैट इज इनडायरेक्टली imposing DFS, depth first search. That means iterating that side, one side. Yes or no? Yes. Not a completely, but we can say that now this is a DFS, like a nature, because we can explore one side of. Then we can go for this one. So this one is the impedance, so we can go for this. Okay. Then this is the over. Then we can explore this one, then this one by one. Okay. So this is the process. We can start. Now see. So did you understand? So basically, they will ask you the question: why we cannot apply BFS on min max algorithm? तो आपको ये इंक्लूड करना होगा कि BFS वर्क ऑन लेवल वाइज, सो इट कैन बी एक्सप्लोर ऑल द नोड्स एट अ सेम टाइम. बट इन गेम प्लेइंग थ्योरी मीन मैक्स एल्गोरिथम वी कैन हैविंग ओनली वन चांस एंड नेक्स्ट चांस ऑफ माय ओपोनेंट. क्या ऐसा थोड़ी होता है कि मैं ही जब टिकटॉक खेलूं तो मैं ही चलता रहूं? नहीं ना. अब वो मत करना. अब जैसे कि हम लोग जो खुलते हैं ना वो डाइस इज नॉट अ चांस, दैट इज अ लक फैक्टर ऑल्सो. वी कैन नॉट इंक्लूड ए इंटेलिजेंट सिस्टम. ओके, चेस को हम लोग इंक्लूड करते हैं, इसे इंक्लूड करते हैं or whatever you're playing right now, what is it? Sorry, right now you are playing a PUBG and others games that not an intelligence games. Okay, so that is an intelligence game. The basics, a small one. Okay, so we cannot apply DFS. So now see how it will work. So basically, they given a graph like this one. So they given a graph, this one. So I'm going to draw this graph. Okay, and here they can give the your value. That means your woof utilities. आपको ये utilities दी होती हैं. If suppose I can reach here, so which utility I can achieve? That is the utilities. +1, -1, 0 या anything दिया जा सकता है, कुछ भी दिया जा सकता है. That means your reward, and the reward always available at a leaf node. Okay, leaf node, and we can always follow perfect binary tree. Okay, perfect binary tree. This is the example of perfect binary tree, and these are the reward. Okay, so different reward दिए हुए हैं आपके पास यहाँ पे. These are the reward, and the reward value is given like -1, 8. This one is a -3, -1, 2, 1, and -3 and 4. And this one will be a start as a maximum. That means the max player. This level will start for the main player. Okay, and then again maximum, minimum, maximum, minimum. Yes. So this one will what happened? Maximum. Yes or no? फर्स्ट अगर मान लीजिए आपका फर्स्ट आप खेले हैं तो सेकंड वो, तो नेक्स्ट बार फिर तो आपकी बारी आएगी ना. सो दीज आर द मैक्स एंड मीन द प्लेयर नेम. ओके, सो दिस वन इज द मैक्सिमम, फर्स्ट देन सेकंड, सॉरी दिस इज फर्स्ट देन सेकंड देन अगेन फर्स्ट ना. उसके बाद तो लीफ नोड हो गए, हमारी यूटिलिटी आ गई. दैट मीन्स वी कैन अचीव द गोल. व्हाट विल बी द मैक्सिमम या ऑप्टिमल कॉस्ट व्हाट एवर गेटिंग. नाउ सी, सो ऑलवेज गेम विल बी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द हियर लीफ नोड last level. So game will be a start from here, not from the bottom, not from the bottom. तो आपको क्या लग रहा है कि भाई अगर हम इस तरह से पहुंचते हैं, इसको हम लोग फॉलो करते हैं, तो इधर से हमारी 8 वैल्यू मैक्सिमम मिल जाएगी. मतलब मैक्सिमम चांसेस है कि हमारी 8 वैल्यू जीत जाएगा. हम लोग यूटिलिटी 8 आ गई तो हम जीत गए ना. इससे ना बोलिए, आपको तो यही लग रहा है, लेकिन रियलिटी में ऐसा होता नहीं है. अब देखिए कैसे हाउ कैन प्ले. सो व्हाट विल बी द maximum value we can achieve? That means how much score you can achieve after completing this game. So you think that this is the 8 is the maximum, that means the maximum score. अगर एक नॉर्मल इंसान को बोलेंगे कि भाई मैन मिक्स करना है, इसमें मैक्सिमम वैल्यू हमारी जीत की क्या हो सकती है, तो 8 हो सकती है, वो बोलेगा. लेकिन दैट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. तो हाउ कैन अचीव? दैट मीन्स आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द यूटिलिटी फैक्टर, कि हाउ मच यू कैन स्कोर आफ्टर विनिंग. सो नाउ सी, start from the this level, always start from this level. That means last level. Okay, so it can be the maximum, so it can be choose the which utility having the maximum value, the 8 having the maximum value. So I can draw this one. That means I can choose this one is a 8, so this value becomes 8. Okay, now from here this is over. So this is the also maximum, this is the also maximum, this is the also maximum. Yes or no? So whatever the value of this one, maximum -1. Yes or no? Yes or no? Then this maximum value 2, this one 2, and this maximum value 4. That means this one. That means I can move from the 8. I can move from the -1, -1, and this one 4. Now turn is the minimum. That means minimum will be what will we do to minimize the value of maximum. That's the perception of minimum. Okay, now see. So which one is the minimum? This one. So I can choose this one. Yes or no? Among 8 or -1, which one is the minimum? -1. So I can choose -1. Okay. Then this one is, which one is the minimum? So I can choose 2. 2. Now again, the maximum terms, the maximum will be choose 2. That means if maximum player will be win, the utility will be at 2 point, not 8. Is it clear? हमें तो दिख रहा था ग्राफ के थ्रू कि भाई 8 ऐड होने वाला था, लेकिन ऐड क्या हो रहा है? Understand how the player will become? That means each and every player is playing optimal and try to impose to each other to minimize or maximize to each other. So that is the game playing. That is the mean or max algorithm. The simplest one. कोई बड़ा तोप का चीज नहीं है, बहुत सिंपल है. Clear? So we can get the maximum value of winning is 2. Okay, maximum value. Suppose a max will be win, the utility factor is 2. That means 2 point will be added. Now, what about this algorithm is complete or optimal? Okay, I'm talking about. So this algorithm always give optimal solution because opponent chance. We can assume both opponent are playing optimally, so it can gives the optimal result. And it is complete in which scenario? If graph is finite, then this is a complete algorithm because DFS is applied here. Okay, indirectly DFS is involved, so we can say that if this is the complete, if this given graph is a finite graph, and it is optimal if both players are playing optimal positions. So we can say that directly this graph is the optimal but not complete. Clear? So that graph is a optimal but not complete. So min max. So we can say that the optimal. Okay. Optimal का मतलब ये हुआ, what I am thinking that both player are playing, both player are playing optimal. Okay, so complete कब होगा? This graph is complete if finite DFS. अगर हम बात करें that graph is complete. So what about the time complexity? So what about the time complexity? What about the time complexity as it is of the DFS B का power order of D, where B is the branching factor, D is the depth. Up to which depth I can iterate. Clear? It clear na? So these are the algorithm. So now see. So all the time what we have to do, understand here. All the time whatever value I can calculate, I can backtrack. Yes or no? All the time backtrack. All the time backtrack. कर रहे हैं ना हम लोग, हर बार बैक ट्रैक करते हैं. दैट मीन्स दिस एल्गोरिथम फॉलो बैक ट्रैकिंग. Or indirectly we can understand here DFS is involved, so DFS is follow backtracking, so this is okay. So this algorithm is also backtracking. So some points if you want to interested to note down, so I'm going to write. क्या है भाई? Min max. Okay, that means game playing. So point number 1, it is called backtracking algorithm. Okay, point number 2, best move strategy used. Then point number 3, max will be try to maximize its utility. And last one, mean will be try to no, not the minimize, So from the mean side, it is also the maximum for the mean, na? So it also be minimize the utility of maximum. Okay, try to minimize the utility. इसको writing नहीं बनती. Okay, so here this one is the best case, and this one is the worst case. अब ये मत पूछना कि ये बेस्ट केस कैसे हुआ और ये वर्स्ट केस कैसे हुआ. आप ये एनालाइज कर सकते हो. मिनिमम का मतलब क्या हुआ, जितना से जितना हम गणना कर सकते हैं, तो वर्स्ट केस का. और मैक्सिमम का मतलब जितना जितना हम बेस्ट कर सकें, दैट इज अ मैक्सिमम. So maximum will be the best case and minimum is the worst case. Okay. So these are, and if you are talking about the utility, so it will be plus, -1 and 0. So these are the defined plus, -1 and 0. That doesn't mean that these are not a utility. These all are utility. Okay. Wo as a general talk, I'm talking about the general. Okay. General figure. Okay. So these all are utility, whatever the given. This one, these all are utility, and only one moves allowed. Here in min max, only one moves. Only one moves allowed. Okay, only one moves allowed, not more than one. And time complexity is clear. Everything is clear. And it is also called sum of zero award. So don't be confused. Okay. Sorry. Sum of zero reward. So what is the meaning of sum of zero reward? So here now see, here the utility is different now. So what is the meaning of sum of zero reward? That means each and every time you can win, we can add one value. Each and every time you can lose, -1. So all the time reward is a constant now. The sum of zero rewards. It is called sum of zero reward. In the terms of I'm talking about this one. लाइक आप बैडमिंटन खेलते हो तो सम ऑफ जीरो ओवर, वॉलीबॉल खेलते हो सम ऑफ जीरो ओवर. ओके, आपकी जो भी गेम्स खेलते हो तो वो ऐसे ही होते हैं ना, कि ऐसा थोड़े होता है कि आपने जीता तो 4 पॉइंट ऐड कर दिए और आपके दोस्त ने हारा तो 10 पॉइंट माइनस कर दिए. ऐसा नहीं ना होता, फिर तो गजब ही हो जाएगा. ओके, दिस थिंग्स दैट इज कॉल्ड सम ऑफ जीरो ओवर. ओके, एंड वन थिंग और जस्ट दिस, आई फॉरगेट द नेम. Okay, some terminologies words. Sometimes we can say that max mean ply. Okay, ply, ply, sorry, ply. Okay, so whatever move is given here, that is called ply. Okay, ये सब टर्मिनोलॉजीज हैं, कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है. So उन्होंने बोला कि मैन मिक्स में प्लाई मूव करना है तो आपको यही मूव करना है. So sometimes it's called ply moves. Okay. So for today, that is enough. Anyone doubt regarding man mix algorithm? Sorry, mean mix algorithm? Yeah, online. Please reply. Anyone doubt? So for today, that is enough for the day. So Vivek, you can take attendance and send me. और पढ़ना है? अब और पढ़ना है क्या आप लोग को?